Now, in the world of sports, Team Philippines is currently in 5th place at the 13th ASEAN Para Games being held in Thailand. And for the details, we have mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho live on the ground. Denise, how's our medal haul so far?
Lord Denise, yes, Team Philippines continues to make waves here at the 13th ASEAN Para Games in Nakhon Ratchasima, Thailand. We have 26 medals, 11 golds, 7 silvers, and 8 bronzes. And strong performances came from athletics where John Jairo Palermo delivered gold in the men's long jump T20, soaring 6.89 meters. Another record-breaking run from Rodrigo Padiotan Jr., clocking 1 minute and 0.1.6 seconds to set a new ASEAN Para Games record in the men's 400 meters T52. Paralympian Sendia Susana also broke her own APG record with a 6.04 meter throw to win the women's shot put at 54. In fencing, Marilyn Garucho struck gold in the women's individual saber event. And just today, Philippines swimming added 3 more golds. Ariel Joseph Alegarbes in the men's 100 meter backstroke S14, Gary Behino in the men's 200 meter freestyle S6, and Ernie Gawilan in the men's 200 meter freestyle S7. And Team Philippines keeps the momentum going as competition continues here in Thailand. Lord Denise.
Okay, Denise, ano yung mga laban? Ano mga matches ang aabangan pa natin for the rest of the day?
Marami pa tayong matches, lalo na sa para-athletics dahil nga tapos na mostly of the swimming games na kung saan nakakuha agad tayo ng 3 golds. Maya-maya around 3 p.m. magsisimula na yung para-athletics dahil dito nga usually sunod-sunod at napakaraming events kaya talagang binabantayan. Ongoing din yung games natin sa para-judo, dito rin, kung nasan ako ngayon sa para-cycling, kasama natin yung ilang athletes ng para-cycling. Kakakuha lang or kaka-award lang sa isa sa mga para-athletes natin na si Patrick Gerard Lee. Nakakuha siya ng silver dito sa men's C3 to C5 road race final. At sunod-sunod, no? At sabay-sabay, simultaneous na nangyayari dito sa Nakhon Ratchasima, Thailand. Kaya more updates later. Sana umangat ulit yung medal tally natin dito.
Denise, tama ba? 26 total na tayo as of today?
Yes,
Ano bang target for Team Philippines?
Well, ang pinaka-sinabi lang ng chef de mission ng Team Philippines as per Sir Gidias, maungusan natin yung last na ranking natin sa Cambodia. We ranked 5th overall in the last Cambodia ASEAN Para Games. No specific number of medals or golds or silvers and bronzes, but as long as, mas tumaas tayo, hopefully, magandang resulta na yon para sa Team Pilipinas, Denise.
Ignorant question, Denise, doon sa athletics, let's say, what is the para equivalent of mga 100-meter dash at yung mga events like, kunyari, may mga, ano ba ito, yung
Pole vault.
Pole vaulting, may mga ganyan ba?
Yes. Well, for pole vaulting, wala tayo. Ang mga meron tayo, for example, yung javelin throw, shot put. We also have a lot of 100-meter dash, yung mga racing, typical. Pero ang nangyayari kasi dito, for example, swimming and athletics, and all the events and sports here is dumadami dahil sa mga classifications sa mga para-athletes natin. Magkakaroon ng, halimbawa, yung mas severe na kind of disability, mahihiwalay siya ng event. Yung mga less severe, mahihiwalay siya ng event. Kaya dumadami. Nang dumadami yung mga sports, yung mga events dito. Minsan, per event, kahit 2 athlete lang yung kasali, pwede siya. Dahil yun lang yung classification or number of athletes na meron tayo per classification. So, ganun din, meron din kung ano yung for example, nangyari sa SEA Games, pero mas nagiging specific na siya per classification.
Like kahapon may binanggit kayo cerebral palsy football.
Yes.
So,
yes.
May mga sports na ang subcategory nila ay yung condition?
Well, for team sports, let's say yung nabanggit ko nga kahapon na cerebral palsy football, meron tayong syempre individuals or amount of players per team. Tapos may mga specific amount of players lang per number of severity ng disability. So for example, nabanggit ni coach na medyo hirap tayo ngayon sa cerebral palsy football kasi mas marami ng mga C1 type of athletes, which is yung mga severe talaga na types of disability na usually dapat 1 or 2 athletes lang per team. So yung mga ganong specifics when it comes to team sports naman, if I'm explaining it well.
Alright. At mukhang malamig-lamig ngayon dyan at mukhang mahangin ngayon dyan. Denise Valdesancho, may tanong ka ba kay Denise?
Yeah, okay na, Denise. Sige, I know you have a lot of things to do and matches to cover. Again, we thank you for the updates. That was our mobile journalist, Denise Valdesancho.